Started off with my Fit Me foundation that I already applied and blended out with a beauty blender. Now basically for the next step is my concealer that I put on, which is Fit Me also. And I put that underneath my eyes and on my forehead, on my nose, on my chin, and I blend that out just like I did with my foundation. Um, I also like to put it like right on top of my lip, just I like everything to kind of pop out a little more. Just gonna blend that out. Excuse me, I have like a slight allergies or something, I don't know. Now I'm gonna take a deeper shade of concealer from the Fit Me concealer line. I'm exhausted. And I'm going to put that on my cheeks, on my nose, on my forehead to really like deepen everything after I've highlighted already. And yeah, I'm just gonna blend that out. And look at that sharp ass line. Yes, bitch. Look at that. Oh! Now I'm just gonna set everything down with my Fit Me finishing powder. Just put that all over your face with the beauty blender. Now I'm taking my Morphe 35B palette, which they don't make anymore, if I believe so, if I'm correct. And I'm taking that neon orange shade in there. They do make the James Charles palette, but I'm a broke bitch and can't afford that. And I'm just going to blend that out real quick. I also put black on top of this. I didn't show it because I suck and the lighting sucks. Now I am taking a metallic green that I'm throwing on top of that black that I didn't show y'all that I put down also. And I spritzed my setting spray right on my brush to really make that metallic pigment shine, give it its true beauty. I make sure to do it out of the pan because you don't want it to disrupt the formula of the shadow inside the pan. I'm also going to do the same thing with a green emerald shade from the Kat Von D highlighter palette that I've had for years, so don't at me, please. And now I'm going to be taking this peach shade from that 35B palette, and I'm going to be using that as blush because I can do what I want, and makeup has no rules. I also threw some bronzer on my cheeks, which you didn't see, again, because the lighting sucks, and you couldn't really see me do that. But that's that bronzer right there. It's Patrick Star, which it's listed down in the description box. Right now, I am just taking my highlighter brush and just making sure everything is nice and highlighted. I'm going to be highlighting my nose, my brow bone, and my face. I'm gonna do that spray trick to make everything nice and shiny. I need to go to bed. And now I'm just making sure everything is still nice and highlighted. I really want that highlight to pop. This is totally optional, but I love to bake. I love the effects of baking. Just to make sure that that nice little line that we made earlier with our contour is still very much so there. And so our foundation doesn't move or get disrupted from your wrinkles that you got, because I got some. And we're gonna go through and highlight again, friends. Yes, we are. Because you gotta glow. You gotta glow. Okay, I'm done. And yeah, look at that glow, baby. Look at that glow. Now we're just gonna stare in the mirror and we're gonna wipe our setting powder off. We're gonna make sure we're all nice and good. And we're just gonna take a MAC liquid lip in the shade Topped with Brandy and overline our lips because I like a nice overlined lip. Don't know about you. Gives you that really nice grungy feel, if you get me. Man, look at that freaking eyeshadow. I'm so surprised to myself, honestly. Like the hair, the makeup, you look a badass bitch, honey. Yes, you do. You're a badass bitch. Don't let anybody tell you any different, honey. You're gorgeous. You're gorgeous. Okay. I'm going to top it off with a Fenty Beauty Hussy, or fussy, not hussy. And I'm also just gonna spray my face with some Morphe setting powder. I don't feel like re-recording this, so this is how it's gonna stay. I also have eyelashes on. Yeah, I did those off camera. I don't feel like showing the world how I do those yet. But yeah. There you go. Yeah, there's that Fenty Beauty. Fussy, not hussy. Look at that. Oh, God. So good! And that was my very first YouTube tutorial slash makeup tutorial slash whatever the fuck. Approximately 10 hours later. My makeup looks like absolute trash at this point because I've been very stressed out and I've cried at least like 10 times. I'm doing it all on my fucking phone because my PC would not support any of my files. Anyways, end of my rant. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up for being my first time.